In the last couple of decades, automakers have placed a high priority on ensuring the safety of your family. One of those innovations is a system called LATCH, which stands for Lower Anchors and Tethers for Children. It was designed to make child safety seat installation easier, so parents or caregivers could install a child safety seat without the use of seat belts. It works by using connectors on the child safety seat which attach to anchors in the car. LATCH is used for both rear and forward-facing child safety seats. LATCH is standard for at least 2 rear seating positions in most vehicles manufactured after 2002. Your vehicle owner's manual will tell you if and where LATCH is present. The anchors may be marked by a symbol or tag on the vehicle seat if you cannot visibly see the anchor. LATCH-equipped vehicles will have 2 lower anchors and 1 tether anchor installed in each LATCH seating position. Child safety seats will have 2 connectors that hook to a pair of lower anchors in the vehicle. Forward-facing safety seats will also have a tether at the top that connects to the tether anchor in the vehicle. Lower anchors are small horizontal bars found in the rear seat of the car where the seat back and seat cushions meet. Tether anchors for forward-facing safety seats can be found in different areas of your car, such as the floor, underneath the vehicle seat, or the rear window shelf. Consult your vehicle owner's manual to find out where yours are located. Tethers greatly reduce the amount of head movement a forward-facing child may experience in a crash and should always be used with a forward-facing car seat. Infant car seats have lower anchor connectors only. If your rear-facing infant seat has a detachable base, only the base will have a set of lower anchor connectors. Convertible child safety seats like this one have both a tether and lower anchor connectors. When installing this seat in a rear-facing position, you will use only the lower anchor connectors. Forward-facing child seats use both a tether and lower anchor connectors. With LATCH, you install your child safety seat without using your vehicle seatbelt. You should always check your vehicle and car seat manuals for specific details, but here are some general guidelines for using LATCH. When installing a rear-facing seat, fasten the safety seat's lower anchor connectors to your vehicle's lower anchors. Make sure you are hooking the connectors in the correct direction and the strap lays flat and is not twisted. Tighten and adjust according to the instructions in your manual. You may need to use your upper body's weight to press down on the seat as you tighten the lower connector anchors for a tight fit. If you're using a child safety seat in the forward-facing position, you begin the same way. When installing a forward-facing car seat, make sure you're using the forward-facing belt path. Hook the lower anchor connectors, make sure the fit is tight. Then attach the safety seat's tether connector to the tether anchor in your vehicle. Pull to tighten. You should not be able to move the seat more than an inch, side to side or forward at the belt pad. Always make sure you are attaching to the LATCH anchors, not part of the vehicle trim or other vehicle tie downs, and never fasten more than 1 safety seat to the same anchor. The experts at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia are dedicated to providing you with the latest information to help keep your family safe on the road. Taking the proper precautions is the first step toward preventing injuries. Safe travels.